Hi students, good morning one and all. Welcome to Sri Academy online classes. My name is Pramod Kumar. Today we will learn about topic types of software. What is software? The term software refers to a set of computer programs, procedure and associated documents describing the programs and how they are to be used. Here given figure, hardware, system software and application software. Means computer work through this function. Means hardware, software and application software. Both all three things are important for working of computer. It means say that in other words, software is a set of program and set of program can perform a specific task. This is called the software. And after that, software types. Software are two types: system software and application software. Although the range of software available today is vast and varied, we classified most software into two categories. First, system software and application software. Now discuss here about system software. System software include the operating system and all the utilities that enable the computer to function. System software is a term referring to any computer software which manage and controls the hardware so that application software can perform a task. It means a system software perform a system only, and through the system software, computer manage and control the hardware and application software to perform a different types of tasks. Example: operating system, compiler, loader, linker and interpreter. The example of system software. Now, types of system software. Means there are four types of system software: operating system software, language translator, communication software and utility software. Discussed one by one in this video. First, operating system. Operating system is a software which makes a computer to actually work. It is the software that enables all the programs we use. The operating system organizes and controls the hardware. Operating system acts as an interface between the application program and the machine hardware. It means say that operating system is the manager of a computer which manage all activity inside the computer, like it's provide the interface between machine and user. Example of operating systems: Windows, Linux, Unix and MOS. Operating system. Functions of operating system: control the hardware, the memory and the application software, manage the information on the disk, run computer programs, manage the startup process. Here the examples of operating system with given operating system figure: Windows figure, Apple's Linux, Windows XP, Androids, Ubuntu, Windows Vista, Windows 7, Macintosh, Red Hat. This is the example of operating system with operating system figure. Next one is the language translator. Language translator is a program that translates a set of instruction code to machine level language. Means language translator work perform a work when you type any words, every time we type in high level language and computer understand only a binary number system, then at that time we need a language translator which translate high level language to machine level language and computer easy way to understand. High level language, just given the figure of people type on computer through keyboard. High level language always type high level language and translator convert high level language to machine code या machine level language, which means binary number system is 0 and 1 form. For a machine it not possible to understand the natural language, so translator convert it into machine code. Examples of language translator. There are three types of language translators: assembler, compiler and interpreter. Communication software. Communication software is used to provide remote access to system and exchange files and message in text, audio or video formats between different computers. Nowadays, communication software mostly people use to perform such type of activity like sharing information, audio, video, and communicate to each other through this software. Here example: social networking website, Facebook, Skype, Gmail, Yahoo, Twitter. There are so many communication software. Utility of software. Utility software designed to help analyze, configure, optimize and maintain a computer. Utility software usually focus on how the computer infrastructure operates. Here there are so many utility software: WinZip, Parallels, Fluids. There are so many utility software. Next one is application software. Application software is a set of one or more programs which solve a specific task. Application software include programs that do real work for a user. Means application software are those software which are developed by a specific task to perform a specific work. Example here: payroll systems, inventory control, manage student database, word processor, spreadsheets and database management system, etc. Types of application software. Application software are generally two types: general purpose application software, or this general purpose application software also called free software, and specific purpose application software is called tailor-made software. We can say that application software are two types: general purpose and specific purpose. General purpose means which software easy way to available, free of cost. And specific purpose for those software developed through the developer for performing a specific work. General purpose application software. General purpose software is intended to perform a broader class of functions. You can use this software for more purposes but limited capabilities for each purpose. For example, word processing, spreadsheet, desktop, publishing software, graphics package, etc. These software are easy to available and free of cost. General purpose application software also called man-made software, and this type of software easy way to available of anyone and free of cost. You are not purchase because this type of software available free of cost. Example of general purpose software: word processor, spreadsheet programs. Example means easy way to available this type of software. Word processor can handle every form or writing asides from the calligraphy. Spreadsheet program like Excel handle a significant portion of data processing problem. In specific purpose application software. Software which is designed to carry out a specific set of tasks, usually in line with the requirement of paying customer. You can use this software for less purpose but with greater capabilities for each purpose. For example, web browser, media player, calendar programs, etc. are the specific purpose application software and also called a tailor-made software. Example of specific purpose: web browser for browsing, media player for playing audio, video, pictures, etc. Some types of application software also available. Word processing software. Word processing software allows user to create, edit a document, for example MS Word, WordPad, etc. Spreadsheet software allow users to create document and perform a calculation, for example Excel, Lotus version 1, 2 or 3, etc. Database software allow user to store and retrieve vast amount of data, example MS Access, MySQL, Oracle, etc. Presentation graphic software allow user to create visual presentations, example MS PowerPoint. Multimedia software allow user to create image, audio, video, etc. For example, real player, media player, etc. If you face any problem related to this topic, types of software, call me on my number 8840156170. Hopefully you understand what is software and types of software, system software, application software, operating system. Means all things given in this video you understand and you make a notes related to this chapter. Thank you.